Hey everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have another midweek musical quiz. This is quiz number 3. So today we're going to add in some natural extensions. So to give you a hint, I'm going to play natural ninths on some chords like minor chords and dominant chords, and I'm going to play natural 6th or 13th and natural ninths on major chords. Try to get your ears hearing those differently. And I'll also tell you some of the voicings I'm using. If you like them, then you can use them yourself. Just a reminder, these are going to be major, minor, dominant, half diminished, or fully diminished chords, but you're going to start hearing some natural extensions. So here's number 1. Here we go. That is half diminished, or minor 7 flat 5, F minor 7 flat 5, 1 7 flat 3 flat 5. Okay, here's number 2. Yeah, that one's a little bit more open. That is a D major 6-9 chord. So we have 1 7 3. Here's the 6 or the 13, and the 9's up top. Really pretty. All right, here we go, number 3. That is C7, so C dominant 7. Listen for that flat 7. Here's number 4. You said minor 9, that's correct. That's a B minor 9. So I'm doing 1 7 3 5 9 up top. Natural 9, natural 9. Okay, here's number 5. That is a dominant chord, but a dominant 9 chord. That's A9, or A dominant 9. There's that natural 9 up there. Next one, here we go, number 6. All right, if you said fully diminished, that's right. All right, that's an E diminished. All right, here's number 7. If you said major, you're right, but what kind of major? Is it a major 7 or major 9? So this one's a major 9 chord. So we have A flat major 9, by the way. A flat, so 1 5. There's the 9 there. Here's the 3, and then that major 7's way up top. That one's awesome chord, really awesome. Number 8. That is dominant, B dominant 7. Here we go, number 9, 2 to go. Let me add the root a little bit lower here. Let me do that again. All right, if you said a minor 9, you're right. That's a C minor 9 chord. There's the 9 there. All right, last one. Here we go. So that is a dominant 9 chord. That's F9. That's 1, 7, 9, 3, 5, 5's up top. So how'd you do? Yeah, some ninth chords are easier to hear than others, but we're just doing natural 9s right now. Come back in a couple days, see if you do better, if you didn't do great. Write your score below if you want to keep track of how you're doing. And yeah, we'll see you at the next one. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.